San Francisco, a city built on ancient hills, with geology as diverse as its inhabitants. A city famous for earthquakes, in a state famous for earthquakes. And a fading memory for many San Franciscans. October 17th, 1989, 5:04 in the afternoon. The third game of the World Series had not yet started, but players had started to warm up, and coverage of the game had already begun when the earthquake struck. The ground shook for 15 seconds. We can't replicate the full force of the quake, its upward and downward motions, but this simulation gives you a sense of what people experienced. 63 people were killed, nearly 4,000 injured, and thousands more left homeless. But the city's most famous earthquake packed a much bigger punch. We can roll back time to imagine the San Francisco of more than 100 years ago. April 18th, 1906, 5:12 in the morning. The city awakens and comes to life. The busiest port city in America has grown up rapidly, with hastily built areas and poor infrastructure.
Holy
The entire event lasted more than 90 seconds, 3 times longer than you're experiencing here. If the damage from the earthquake itself weren't enough, fires started in the wake of the event caused more than 500 city blocks to burn to the ground. More than 3,000 people died in the 1906 earthquake and fire. We don't